Alright guys, I'm doing a review of these field roast Italian fennel plant-based sausages. So this one's on sale, and yeah, so let's take a look. Here's the back if you guys want to read it. Pause the video. The only unfortunate part is that it uses wheat gluten, so which is actually kind of weird. Usually they use like soy protein or something like that. So we'll see what it tastes like. There's a nutrient panel, and I'll cook it up in the air fryer actually. Let me see the instructions. Yeah, I'll just put it in the air fryer. Alright guys, stay tuned, I'll be right back to do a quick taste test. Alright, so I just got it out of the air fryer, and you can see it's already crumbling a bit, so it doesn't really hold its shape that well with the heat. So, but let's do a quick taste test. There it is. There's the, and it's also made with a little bit of eggplant, so taste and flavor wise, it's really good. It has so much like spices and herbs, and like I can taste the cumin, I can taste the the cardamom, all that stuff is really good. The texture is like your usual soy protein, but it has a little bit more of a almost like meaty sense to it. So because it comes out in chunks. So yeah, see, you can see right there's chunks right there. So there's the cumin. Yeah, it's actually not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to our channel.